Thank you for returning to the channel. We present to you now an incredible list of the top 7 new Honda Cruiser motorcycles for 2024 that you should ride. You will be shocked to see how incredible these bikes are. Number 7. Honda Rebel 300. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300's fusion of traditional cruiser style and cutting-edge performance builds on the heritage of its forebears. The Rebel 300 keeps its sturdy but understated look. It's accessible to riders of all sizes with a low-slung seat height of 27.3 inches. Its sleek, edgy appearance is enhanced by the blacked-out engine, frame, and bodywork. The LED lighting also gives it a contemporary feel. A 286cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine with 27 horsepower is the power plant at the core of the Rebel 300. This engine is ideal for both novice and expert riders because it produces power that is steady and smooth. Number 6. Honda Shadow Phantom. The 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom is a traditional cruiser that combines vintage appeal with contemporary dependability. It is intended for riders who value the benefits of Honda's engineering expertise along with the classic attractiveness of a V-twin engine. The Shadow Phantom has a striking and ominous appearance because to its simple, blacked-out appearance. Its stealthy image is further enhanced by blacked-out parts such as the engine, frame, and exhaust, which go well with its stripped-down design and bobber-style seat. The Shadow Phantom's 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine powers the vehicle. This engine provides smooth, dependable performance and sufficient torque for both comfortable city driving and highway cruising. Number 5. Honda GoldWing. As the pinnacle of touring motorcycles, the 2024 Honda GoldWing upholds this reputation by fusing performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Honda has improved this model so that long-distance riders will continue to find it to be a great option. The 2024 GoldWing's dependable 1833cc flat-six engine is its brains. This engine produces smooth, effortless power that makes passing and interstate travel a breeze. The GoldWing provides versatility for various riding styles when paired with either a smooth-shifting 6-speed manual transmission or a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT. On the GoldWing, comfort comes first. Long rides won't tire the rider or the passenger thanks to the ergonomic seating's plenty of legroom and soft padding. Number 4. Honda CL500. The 1960s and 1970s scramblers served as the model for the CL500's unique throwback look. Its simple bodywork, knobby tires, and high-mounted exhaust add to its raw charm. The bike comes in a variety of colors, each of which highlights its retro appeal. A 471cc parallel twin engine, originally from the Honda CB500 series, powers the CL500. This fuel-injected, liquid-cooled engine generates about 46 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque, offering a harmonious combination of power and economy. The engine is appropriate for both light off-road excursions and urban travel due to its responsive throttle and smooth power delivery. The CL500 integrates current technology with a traditional design. It has an optional ABS system for increased safety, a digital instrument cluster, and a complete LED lighting system. Number 3. Honda Rebel 500. A stylish and approachable addition to the cruiser motorcycle market, the 2024 Honda Rebel 500 offers a comfortable, customizable, and performance-oriented mix that will appeal to riders of all skill levels. The 471cc parallel twin engine that powers the Rebel 500 produces responsive and seamless performance. Because the engine is optimized for low-end torque, it is ideal for light touring and city riding. Because of its lightweight frame and low seat height, the bike is very stable and maneuverable, making it a great option for riders of all skill levels. Subtle changes to the 2024 model include new color options and slightly improved ergonomics to improve comfort for riders. Number 2. Honda Grom. The charm and usefulness that have made the 2024 Honda Grom a beloved among urban commuters and motorcycle enthusiasts are still there in this model. This most recent version of the Grom keeps its whimsical nature while adding a few tweaks that make it more appealing. The 2024 Grom has a brand new, practical, and modern design. Due to its small size, it's a great option for maneuvering through congested city streets and small parking lots. The Grom now has a sportier appearance because to its revised bodywork, which features more aggressive styling and sharper lines. The bike's colorful appearance is further enhanced by the range of vivid colors that are available. A 125cc single-cylinder engine that powers the Grom provides a sporty and economical ride. A 5-speed transmission is matched with the engine to provide more versatility and smoother acceleration under various riding circumstances. Number 1. Honda Rebel 1100. The 2024 Honda Rebel 1100 continues Honda's tradition of innovation and quality in the cruiser market. This model builds upon the success of its predecessors, offering both manual and dual-clutch transmission (DCT) options, thus catering to a wide range of riders. The Rebel 1100 keeps its sleek, aggressive, and low seat height, along with its blacked-out parts and strong, clean silhouette. While the entire design radiates a modern flair, the iconic round headlight and teardrop fuel tank pay respect to traditional cruiser styling. A 1084cc parallel twin engine based on Honda's Africa Twin powers the Rebel 1100. This fuel-injected, liquid-cooled engine produces plenty of torque at all revs while operating smoothly and powerfully. Riding with a powerful feel and exhilarating acceleration, the Rebel 1100 boasts 86 horsepower and 72 pound-feet of torque. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity of the Rebel 1100 guarantee agile handling and effortless maneuverability, making it appropriate for both winding country roads and urban settings.